All right, you guys. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Professor Robert DeFrance. I've been teaching English composition for 16 years. I've been at Long Beach for 12 of those 16 years. Unfortunately, when I record this presentation, it doesn't go full screen, so we're going to see how much of this we can actually see. I was hoping it would be a lot more than that. Okay, so if it's recording at this point, I guess that is good. My background is in English. I have a bachelor's degree in English, a master's degree in rhetoric and composition. My main focus educationally was post-colonial literature, or literature after slavery. I spent a lot of years doing my apprenticeship and getting ready for this. I was a writing center tutor, graduate assistant, teaching assistant for over 10 years. I've taught at several of the best colleges in the area. Cerritos College, El Camino. I still teach at all of these places, Long Beach, UC Irvine. I won the Inspirational Faculty Award here at Long Beach City College. I helped write the 2014 Student Equity Plan with the help of a lot of terrific colleagues. I have been published in California English. I presented at the CATE conference. And here's some more personal things about me. I love basketball. I love to write. I love our Lakers. I love to eat. And I love movies. These are some things that you'll definitely learn about me over the term. Some of my favorite directors are, of course, Scorsese, Tarantino. Yeah, I guess I'd throw Spielberg in there. He's not like my all-time favorite. And there are some other ones, but those are some of my favorites. I'm happily married. I have 2 kids. A lot of my students have gone on to UC schools, are published authors, award-winning writers themselves. And we're going to have a good time this semester. I know it's online, so it's going to be different. But if you follow the weekly instructions and watch the videos, I think we're all going to have a good time and learn a lot. All right, thank you.